It's that time. The garlics have got some scapes on them, so it's time to cut these suckers back. You don't cut them, they go to seed, and you don't get any beautiful garlic. I'm just going to make sure I get all of them. Sometimes it's this one I'm going to let grow and let it go to seed. Since it's so small, I'm going to try and dry out the seeds and grow my garlic from those. That's a 2-year process. You let them grow the first year and you dry them like you would normally, but you don't eat those ones, and then you plant those bulbs the second year and you get your garlic from that. And no, I do not like garlic scapes per se. I don't find them palatable. I'd rather eat the actual garlic. Bugs everywhere. Sometimes you miss them. It's okay. You miss them, they grow, you find them later. I think I got them all. The only way to know for sure is you check in a few days. You see more curlicues, you know you missed some. Except for that one. We're leaving that one. They go to seed, and you don't get any beautiful garlic. Yeah, I know I'm ridiculously behind in getting stuff uploaded onto this channel. And I was reviewing that video about the garlic scapes. So, those are those little like bulby things that come off the garlic scapes. When I cut them off the actual plants, like the scapes, when I cut them off the plant, I threw them in the compost bin thinking, you know, they're going to compost like everything else I throw in there. So they refused to. Now I have these guys. So I will be planting them when I plant my garlic in the garden. But I thought I really should put this little, I guess, amendment or whatever the hell you want to call them, addendum to the video. Because I guess nature is just telling me, please try and grow these. Please. Anyway, catch you soon.